very good evening to each and every one of you, and welcome to another episode of No Reservations with myself, Ayeshah Alam Khan. And boy, it's going to be an estrogen fest tonight. My guests this evening are two phenomenal women. Both are directors on television. Both have had a struggle as far as their work experience is concerned, and both have emerged victorious. Who are these phenomenal women? Well, to find out, you are going to have to stay tuned. But before we divulge all our secrets, including the secrets my little dirt machine has cooked up, we're going to take a little break. Don't go anywhere. Stay with us. You're watching No Reservations.